babe, oh 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 babe.
Hey love, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. This unit that I will be showing you is from WeQueen. This is their fake scalp 13 by 6 10-inch straight bob unit. You guys, this unit is a definite game changer. I'm gonna give you all the details about this unit, as well as show you exactly how I installed this wig onto my head. This is exactly how the unit came boxed to me. Inside the box, it does come with the wig. It comes with additional stocking cap or wig cap, and then it also comes with the adjustable wig band. Now the wig band is completely different from what you usually see. This wig band actually comes with hooks. It sort of looks like a bra strap, and it is adjustable, and I will show you guys later on in the video exactly how I installed this inside the unit. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip the unit inside out, and inside the unit you will see the regular adjustable straps. They do come with 3 combs. It comes with 2 combs on the side, and then it comes with a larger comb in the back of the unit. Now let's take a closer look at the fake scalp. This fake scalp is completely different from what you usually see. Most videos that I see with the fake scalp, it comes with, of course, the lace front, and then inside the unit they go ahead and sew down the stocking cap. Now WeQueen did something a little bit different. They actually have 3 layers on the lace. So it comes with the regular lace, and then it also comes with the stocking cap, and then it comes with an additional transparent lace on top of that. So you will not have the stocking cap rolling back, coming apart, or anything like that, because it is securely sewn down. And you guys, like I said, it does come with transparent lace, so this lace can blend with anyone's skin tone. Another great thing about this unit is the fact that it is a 13 by 6 lace front unit. You guys have a lot of parting space. You can do a middle part, a side part, a deep side part. You guys can wear this unit any way you want to, and I will show you later on in the video how I wear it in a middle part, as well as easily able to change it up to a deep side part. So I'm going to go ahead and start prepping this unit for install. I really did not have to do too much because the knots already come bleached, you guys. The hairline already comes pre-plucked. So you really only have to go ahead and install the unit onto your head. But in my case, I wanted to just use my flat iron to straighten out the unit because it's been sitting inside of a box. But that is basically all I did to install or prep this unit for install. So just a little bit more information about this unit, you guys. On WeQueen's website, they do have 2 lengths. They have the 10-inch, which I have right now, and then they also have a 12-inch. Also, you guys, this unit is very, very affordable. If you're looking for a unit that you do not have to do pretty much nothing at all, this unit is definitely for you, you guys. I really love this unit. Now the pricing on this unit, it is $114 for the 10-inch, but if you guys use my 10% coupon code, which I will leave in the video as well down below in description section, the unit comes to about $103. So you guys cannot beat this price whatsoever. So what I wanted to tell you guys is my experience with this unit. I did not experience any type of smell or odor. Like I stated before, this unit has a lot of parting space. You do not have to apply any type of glue, any type of adhesive, because the lace front lays down super flat to your hairline. Also, you guys, I only experienced just a little bit of shedding. I just saw a few strands here and there, but it wasn't excessive at all. I did not experience any type of tangling with this unit. The unit does apply very well to heat. The only other thing that I did notice is that the unit does have a few flyaways and short pieces of hair, but what I did was I went in with my Care wax stick and just used my flat iron to lay down those flyaways, and that is about it, you guys.
Girl, tell me how kept that frown. Yeah. All the time that I've been right here with you, you haven't said a word, no. And I've been trying so long, baby. And I've been trying so long, babe. Yeah, oh yeah. To get that frown up off your face, girl, yeah. Cause I don't like to see my girl like that, no. Tell me, was it something I've done? Yeah. Cause I don't want tonight to be a hard one, no. And I just want you to come over here and now put your arms around me, no. And we ain't gotta worry about nobody else or no. Cause let's have some fun tonight. Yeah. If you didn't love me, I'll still love you. And if you didn't want me, girl, I'd still want you. Whenever the sky is gray, you make it blue.
Pretty much it did not take any time at all to install this unit onto my head. It was pretty much a straight out of the box unit. I really love this unit, you guys, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for a unit that you do not have to do too much to it. So you guys, I will leave all the information about this unit as well as a direct link as well as my coupon code, so if you are interested you can definitely order it on WeQueen's website. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, you guys. If you have any comments or questions or you felt I left something out, please leave a comment down below in the description section. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you have subscribed to my channel, you guys, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. And as always, I will see you in the next one.
There's something about the way you do what you do. Now girl, it's something, I don't know what you do. But girl, it's something and I don't know what you do. No, I don't know, no. Whoa. Girl, I feel love when I take a look at the sky, and I have never been in love this way, oh no. Cause girl, you're so special to me, even if you didn't love me. If you didn't love me, I'll still love